Hello everyone, in this short video I will show you how to add contour lines to your Toposurface file in Revit. The topographic surface I have on my screen came from TopoExport. If you need one, you can download it on TopoExport.com. Let's get started. First click on the Toposurface, then click on Edit Type, go to the contour line display section and click Edit. There are two parameters available by default: primary contour line interval and secondary contour line interval. For this example, I will set the primary contour lines to 5 meters and secondary contour lines to 1 meter. Since my terrain is at a high elevation, I will also adjust the stop value to make sure all the contour lines are displayed across the entire 3D surface. Then I click Apply, then OK, and again Apply and OK. And there we go. As you can see, the contour lines have been successfully added across the full Toposurface. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.